Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Trisha with us. Miss Trisha is a native of Miami, but relocated here to Atlanta in 2009 to basically start a new life in search of new opportunities. Unfortunately, a few years later, she lost her mother, which resulted in her and her family going through the probate process in order to settle her mother's estate. So today we'll be talking more into that story and what she experienced going through the probate process. Now let's get into this. All right, Miss Trisha, so after your mom passed away and y'all are now settling her estate, do you feel like you all received adequate information in regard to like the cost and the timeline and the requirements to get through probate?
No, when we reached out to the probate attorney, the only thing that it was really like, okay, this is how much we're going to charge, this is what I'm going to do for you, but not the next steps, not what is, this is what you have to prepare for. None of that. All of that would have been helpful to see how much time we did or did not have in the process. It was really more about, the dollars. That's it. Like if we would have had the money, he would have just started the process, but not really tell you exactly when it needs to be done. And it's really like, okay, this is what I'm going to do for you, and it, we should be good to go, instead of telling you, okay, this is what's going to happen next, prepare for this or prepare for that. It wasn't any of that.
Okay. So at any point prior to y'all committing to, I guess, this particular probate attorney or starting the process, at any point did anyone say, hey, let's sit down and let's talk through y'all's scenario, let's talk through y'all's situation so I can see and understand exactly where you are and then move from there? Or was it just like, these are my services and this is the cost associated with it?
It was more like, these are the costs associated with it. My brother and I did have a conversation like, well, maybe we should contact another lawyer. At the time, both of us weren't in a financial position to really say, okay, let's go to another attorney, because it's probably going to, in our mind, we felt it was going to be the same thing, because we didn't have the actual funds that were needed. So we were like, well, we might as well try to see what we can do with this one. And, when we tried to call back and ask more questions, it was really like, well, you owe this payment, and it was really more about the dollars more than trying to educate us on the process.
Okay, I'm sorry y'all experienced that, but thank you for sharing it with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.